In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make at least $200 every single day promoting CPA offers. And if you are new to this channel, I make videos about how to make money online. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around this channel. You will definitely find other interesting videos. And also make sure to check out the first link in the description. It's going to bring you to this page where you can literally learn everything you need to do to start making passive income every single day with CPA marketing. So without wasting any more time, let's get into today's video. As you can see right here, this is a gaming landing page right here. I'm going to show you how you can use this simple landing page right here to generate hundreds of dollars every single day. So the first thing you want to do, of course, is to pick a gaming offer. And to do that, you want to head over to network like Cpalead.com. And also keep in mind, you can use Cpagrip as well. But in this video, I'm going to be using Cpalead. And you can use this method I'm about to show you in this video for any niche at all. So what you want to do right here is to basically come over here and you want to click on this sign up button to create an account with Cpalead if you don't have one, by simply entering your name, your last name, email, and password. And you want to choose a security question and you want to click on submit right here. So once you have your account created, your dashboard is going to look like this. So the first thing you want to do is to basically come to this search bar right here and you want to type in video game right here. Okay, so if you type that right here, you can see there is an offer right here, which is a video game streamer job right here. So if I click on this offer right here, okay, so basically you can see this offer is going to pay you $4.76 for every conversion you get on this offer. And you can see the device type they want is Android. And also you can see this offer wants conversion from United States only. And also if I go back right here, you can see this offer has fast pay right here, which means whatever you earn today, you can decide to request for payout tomorrow and you are going to get paid. Okay, and also you can see right here is a click per install offers. You can see right here CPI, which means people just need to install this app right here and you make $4. As you can see right here, this advertiser has already gotten 10% of the leads they want from this offer right here. So I'm going to show you how you can also make money with this offer as well. So the next thing you want to do once you've chosen an offer of your choice, and also you can see right here, this offer is going to pay people $15 to $44 per hour using this app right here. Okay, so what you want to do now is to basically create a landing page. As you can see, this is an example landing page I created right here. We will pay you up to $44 an hour playing video games. And also you can see the theme of this landing page is towards gaming. And also you can see I made sure I wrote this right here, which says for all interested players, you are required to sign up via your Android device to qualify. And also if you keep in mind, if you go back to Cpalead right here, you can see the device type they want right here is Android, which means they want conversion from Android, as this is a click per install offer. So if I go back to this landing page right here, once the people click on this sign up button, they will be redirected to this page right here. Okay, so once they come over to this page and they install this app, I make $4. All right, so basically it's that simple. And I'm going to show you how to drive traffic and how to create this landing page as well. And also keep in mind, you can use Google Sites if you want, or you can use any other landing page builder of your choice. So to create this landing page, you want to use breezy.io, because they have a lot of templates that you can basically drag and drop and create landing page in less than 5 minutes. All you need to do now is to click on get started right here to create an account if you don't have one. So once you create your account, your dashboard is going to look like this. And the next thing you want to do is to basically click on this create new project. And once you do that, you want to click on this website and landing page. And now you can see we have a new project right here. So what you want to do right here, you want to click on this edit project. And once you do that, you want to click on this start building your page. And also, as you can see here, like I said, there are numerous templates you can choose from to create any landing page on breezy.io. So now for the purpose of this video, you want to create a custom landing page. So I'm going to click on create your own. And the next thing you want to do is to basically grab an image. And because if you look right here, you can see the background image right here is a gaming image right here, which is going to resonate a lot with gaming audience. So what you want to do now is to basically go over to Google and you can just basically type in gamers wallpaper. And if you do that, you are going to see a lot of gaming wallpaper you can use. You can see this is the one I used right here. So basically all you just need to do is to right click and download this image right here. Okay, so now if you go back to our builder right here, so the next thing you want to do basically is to come over to this section right here. Okay, and you want to click on this background right here, and basically you want to upload the image you just downloaded. All right, as you can see, the image has been uploaded right here. So what you want to do now is to basically drag and drop this right here. All right, so the next thing you want to do now is to basically come over here and you want to add a text. Come back to this gamers wallpaper landing page right here, and you are going to see a lot of images with pad right here. You can see this one right here that you can use. You can see there is also another one right here, and you can see this is the one I use for that landing page. So all you just need to do is to download this image right here. And once you have it downloaded, all you just need to do is to come over here and drag another image element right here. So once you drag it, you want to basically drop it underneath this text right here. Okay, as you can see, this is the image right here. So I'm just going to resize it a little bit. And once you do that, you are basically going to upload the image by clicking on this image icon right here. All right, so once you click that, you want to select the image. All right, this is the image right here. All right, so as you can see, the image has been uploaded right here. So basically you want to adjust it like this, and you want to make sure you make it look good as possible. All right, so something like this right here. So once you've done this, you want to basically come over to add the final text underneath this image right here, and you want to add in a simple text like this right here. All right, so basically you can change the color of this text right here. So if I give it a red, all right, so basically you can use any color right here as long as the color stands out. All right, so basically if I take a green as an example right here, all right, you can see right here it says note of interested players, you are required to sign up via your Android device to qualify. So basically, if you go back to Cpalead, you can see right here, this offer wants installs from Android devices. So if you go back right here, so basically that is all you need to do right here. And now the final thing you need to do is to basically drag a sign up button, and you want to drop it underneath this text right here. And then you want to change the text right here to sign up. All right. And also you can change the color of this button to whatever you want right here. Okay. So basically it's up to you. Whatever color you want, you can select that right here. All right, so basically once people come over here, they will be able to click on this sign up button, and they will be redirected to install this app right here, and you make money. Okay, so now the final thing is to basically copy the link to the offer, and you want to basically add the link to this sign up button right here, and you want to paste in the link right here. And now you are done with this landing page. You can literally see it takes less than 5 minutes to create this landing page. And all you need to do from here is to basically click on publish page right here. And once that is done, you want to come over and go back to your dashboard right here. You can see right here, this is the link to this landing page right here. So if I click on this landing page link, all right, if you have a custom domain, you can basically come over here and you want to link your custom domain to this landing page. But if you don't have any, you can basically click on this and you can change the name right here, Gamer Place right here. Okay, as you can see right here, if I click on this button right here, as you can see, it's going to bring me to this landing page right here. And now the reason why I like using Breezy, as you can see right here, is going to give you free SSL certificate, which is going to make your landing page looks legit. All right, as you can see right here, everything looks good and very captivating. And all they need to do is just click on this sign up, and they will go over to this app to install it, and you make money. And now keep in mind, this is a win-win situation because they are also going to make money using this app right here. As you can see, they can earn up to $44 if they install this app. So it's definitely a win-win situation for you and the users. The next step now is driving traffic, and YouTube is one of the best traffic source for this method I'm about to show you right here. And now to do this, you want to basically come over to the search box right here. You want to type in how to make money with gaming channel right here. And if you do this, this is basically going to show you videos that are showing people how to make money with gaming channel. So basically most of these people stream on YouTube and they don't make much on YouTube anyways. So basically they are going to be happy getting paid up to $44 an hour for streaming video games. So once you do this, I'm going to be taking this video right here as an example. So if I click on this video, all right, so you want to pause the video and you want to scroll to the comment section right here. Okay, and I can assure you that most of these people are from United States right here. So basically, if I take this channel right here as an example, as you can see right here, 34 subscribers, which means this channel is not even making money on YouTube. So definitely this is a very good offer to show this person right here. So now if I open this channel right here, all right, you can see Big Rico Gaming. If I come over to the about section, you can see this person is from United States right here, and you can see they have their email address right here. All right, you can see right here they are also a YouTuber and streamer right here. All right, so if I basically go back and if I choose another channel right here, so basically let me take this one as an example. So if I open this channel again, you can see this channel also is not making money from YouTube yet. You can see just about 300 subscribers right here. And if I scroll down right here, you can see this person is also from United States right here. And you can see they have their email address right here as well. All right, so basically if I come over and I open another channel, let me take this one as an example. All right, so if I come over to the about section of this channel as well, you can see this person is also from United States as well. So you are basically going to find a lot of United States streamers on YouTube that are looking to make money with their channel. You can see, let me use this one as the final example, which has only 10 subscribers. So if I open this channel right here, you can also see this person as well is from United States, as you can see right here. You can see this person has just 150 views on the channel and only 10 subscribers. So definitely this person is going to benefit using this app right here to make up to $44 every single hour. So basically to drive traffic with this method, all you just need to do is to come over to the email address right here. All right, so basically you want to copy the email address of this channel right here. And if peradventure you didn't find their email address, basically you can use their social media links as well. All right, so basically the most preferred is using the email address, as you can see right here. So basically once you copy all the email addresses right here, you want to create a list, something like this. And keep in mind, these are just random email addresses right here that I'm using as an example for this video. Okay, so now once you do this, you want to basically go to your Gmail right here. All right, so once you come over to your Gmail, you want to come over to this section where it says compose, and you want to basically copy all these email addresses right here. So basically you want to add the email addresses right here, and you want to use a subject line like this one right here. We are hiring new gamers, and you want to write a message like this: hello, we are looking to work with gamers like you. You will earn $44 an hour working with us by simply playing video games. This is what you already do on your YouTube channel, but we are willing to pay you for it. Let us know if you are interested, and you want to add a button which says click here, and then you want to come over and copy your landing page URL right here. So basically if you come over here and you want to click on this add link right here, and then you want to paste in this link right here. Okay, so basically once they click on the link, they will be taken to your landing page. I know a lot of people are going to think this is going to end up in the spam box, but it's not, and I'm going to prove it to you in this video. So basically this is my new email right here, and I'm going to copy this email right here. So if I copy this email, I'm going to add it to this email right here. Okay, as you can see, this is my Proton email right here. So basically all I'm going to do now, once I've added all the emails right here, all you just need to do is to click on this send right here. And now I'm going to refresh my Proton email right here. So if I refresh this email right here, all right, as you can see my inbox, as you can see right here, we are hiring new gamers. So basically you can see this ended up in the inbox and not in the spam folder. So if I come over to the inbox, just like I said, this is going to end up in the inbox and not in the spam box. So basically, as you can see right here, it's going to land straight to their inbox. So basically once they click on this click here button right here, as you can see, they will be brought to this landing page right here, where all they need to do is to click on this sign up right here. So basically this is how easy and how simple it is to make money with this offer right here. So basically you can see right here, this is just one video on YouTube, and I got about 5 emails within just 1 minute of going to these channels right here. So basically you can go back and you can repeat the same process and look for as many emails from these videos right here. All right, so basically this offer right here is going to pay $4.76 right here. And if you multiply that by 50, which I believe is very possible to get 50 people daily, if you multiply that, you can see you'll be making over $200 every single day with just this simple method. So basically this is how easy and how fast you can start making money with CPA marketing. And if you find any value in this video, please drop a like on the video, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.